Hello guys, welcome to yet another interesting update. If you're looking to step up your personal finance, then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, we're going to be looking at top 5 skills that can put you on top of your game, help you find jobs easily or work for yourself. We're also going to look at how much people are being paid that have these skills, as well as where you can start learning these skills right away. If you plan to travel abroad, maybe for studies, these skills are also very important because they will help you to get jobs easily, or you can work for yourself online or offline. Number 4 is my favorite, so make sure to stay tuned. This video promises to add value to you, so please make sure to hit the like button and share this video to your friends as well. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified on my next update. Okay, let's get it started. Number 1 is video graphics editing. Video editing is also called motion graphics, and it is all about editing videos to produce amazing and audience capturing clips. Videos editors can make about $59,500 annually according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Video editors can make $40 per hour in the US. Professionals can make up to $80,000 and newbies can make up to $40,000 per year. The top software for video editing include Adobe Premiere Pro, Cyberlink Power Director 365, and DaVinci Resolve. Remember, as a video editor, you can make money being employed or as a freelancer on freelancing websites like Fiverr, freelancer.com, or guru.com. Let's talk about where you can learn all these skills before we go to number 2. You can learn all the skills I'm going to talk about in this video on the platform called Skillshare. On Skillshare, you can basically learn anything. Just search for the skill you want to learn and start learning. You can use my Skillshare link in the description below to get 30 days free trial and 30% discount on your registration. Number 2 is programming and website development skill. Programming is all about using computer codes to solve real-life problems by developing websites and softwares to be used on phones or computers or even on machines. Junior programmers can earn about $39,900, while senior programmers can earn up to $80,000 annually. You can also work as a freelancer on freelancing websites and make money online. Top programming language to learn include Python, Java, and C#. You can also learn WordPress and start developing websites without learning how to code. Programmers or software designers are always in demand, and one good thing about this skill is that you can work remotely. For example, you can work for an employer in US right from your home country. The third skill that can put you on top of your financial game is forex and crypto trading. Forex is all about making money from the rise and fall of currency's value, and same applies to crypto. Although trading is risky for beginners, you can perfect the art and make boundless money from trading. The fourth skill for this video is data science. Data science is a relatively new skill and very high in demand. It involves analyzing data and predicting the future. It also involves creating artificial intelligence from this data. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the annual salary for data scientists range between $59,000 to $167,000. Some tools used by data scientists include Python programming language, Tableau, Excel, MATLAB, Power BI, and a lot of others. The fifth and final skill for this video to put you on top of your game is project management. Project management is the application of procedures, strategies, techniques, knowledge, and experience to accomplish certain projects or tasks. Project managers are high in demand, and every organization needs project managers. According to Glassdoor, project managers can earn up to $76,000 annually. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any value, do not forget to hit the like button and also share this video to your friends. Watch this next video to know how I made my first $2,000. I believe you're definitely going to get some tips on how you can start making money from this video, or you can watch this video on how to make money from pico workers.